Hello children, this is SST class of chapter 11, location of states on the map of India. Of this chapter I had already asked you all to write the list of states and their capitals, which many of you all have done, and those who have not, they need to do it. Okay, so now let us start with this chapter. India is a beautiful country blessed with natural resources. India has one of the oldest civilizations in the world and the 7th largest country in area in the world. It is the second most populous country after China. It covers an area of 32,87,263 square kilometer, extending from the snow-covered Himalayan heights to the tropical rainforests of the south. As the 7th largest country in the world, India stands apart from the rest of Asia, marked by the mountains and the seas, which give the country a distinct geographical entity. The geographical area comprises 2.4% of the total area of the world. You can see here the map, the location of India in Asia. You all know that our country India comes in the continent Asia. It's an Asian country. Okay. So clearly it's seen that our India is here, represented with a purple color over here. And you can see, though here are many countries, but India is having really a different and beautiful shape. It is covered with 3 sides oceans: Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, and on the top it's just covered, or you can say a boundary wall of Himalaya mountains, ranges. Okay. Here is a political map given in this book, and the map is very clearly showing all the states and capitals which you have already written. Now see here. Look at the above political map of India. Please, you all have a look so that whenever you think about the map of India, you can easily identify where is Rajasthan. Suppose somebody says where is Karnataka, you can immediately come towards down south part of India, that is here. If someone says that just imagine or where is Uttar Pradesh, immediately you have to calculate in your mind and come back there, here, Uttar Pradesh. And then Jammu and Kashmir, here, Ladakh, here. And if you are thinking of this portion and immediately you have been asked where is West Bengal, come back to this side. When this map is already settled in your mind, it becomes very easy to identify the location. And you all know the directions. Okay? East, west, north, south. Okay? So whenever you get time, please come or go through the map so that your concept of the locations of each state will be clear in your mind. Okay?